Guys, what's happening today? Welcome to the 7th part of the JavaScript tutorial. Going to go over quick the different types of variables in JavaScript, which basically we have var, we have let, and we have const. Real quick, the difference between these three, and you're basically going to see all three of them, whether it's tutorials or in code. Var is just basically variable. And this is used to assign data. So you can use any kind of name or symbol to assign your information, which then you can convert, because what is the purpose of programming? The purpose of programming is to take information that you can manipulate or change. So basically this is assigning data and allowing for manipulation or change to the data. So that is basically our var. Now you're going to see that this has been depreciated recently in the most recent versions of JavaScript. So what you're most commonly going to want to use is let, which is basically the same assignments as var, which is to allow for manipulation or change of data. However, this is just kind of the more consistent way now to assign variables that are being allowed for changes. And then the last one you're going to see is const, which is for basically consistent. And this is a variable that is consistent throughout the program or script. So basically this is where you're going to, if you assign a const, you're keeping that information, that data is not going to be able to be changed further in the program. So just remember that, guys. These are the three different kinds you're going to come across. Real quick, why don't we just put together a real quick program. So we'll go function numbers, and that's going to be our function, and we'll do a for loop, which will do I for iterate, or I'm sorry, here we're going to put our var for variable, and then we'll assign it to I for iterate, and we're going to equal that to 0. So basically it's starting at 0. We're going to go until I is less than 10, and we're going to go I plus plus to add. So here we will go to our console log, which you will remember from earlier tutorials, and we're going to log I to the console, and we will put that again, and then let's run our function, which is going to be numbers. And let's see how this runs out for us, guys. So basically this is our var variable, assigning this to I. And now if we run over to our program, or our console log where we can run our program, you will see on our URL that we have run numbers, so that it is basically iterating I through 9. So guys, that's how we can use variables. Again, those are the three different types: var, let, const, and you're going to be running across all of them. Stay tuned for the next part, which will be going over variable scope, which is global or local. More to come. If you're enjoying these JavaScript tutorials, give a like, give a share. It all helps. Thank you, guys.